Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of amazing construction technology, showcasing the innovations and techniques transforming the way we build. Without further ado, let's start the video. AX5GN. Tensar AX5-GN is a high-performance asphalt interlayer combining a 3D triaxial grid with non-woven fabric. Saturated with bitumen, it reinforces asphalt, absorbs stress, waterproofs, and controls reflective and longitudinal cracking. It enhances fatigue resistance, enables thinner asphalt layers, and ensures optimal strain distribution for durable, long-lasting pavements. DINCEL Vertical REO Clip. The DINCEL Vertical REO bar clip secures vertical reinforcement bars in DINCEL structural walling panels, ensuring proper concrete cover and structural integrity. Made from durable materials, it holds rebar during pouring and suits 110 mm, 155 mm, and 200 mm panel profiles. Available in packs of 100 or 250, depending on project needs. Cicalastic 685. Cicalastic 685 is a one-component, water-based acrylic bituminous membrane applied wet on wet without drying between coats. It offers durable, long-lasting waterproofing, suitable for occasional foot traffic and exposed use. Ideal for vertical and horizontal surfaces, including concrete, metal, plaster, wood, cement-based surfaces, and ceramic tiled floors and walls. RICON S-Beam Hanger. The RICON S-Beam Hanger is a galvanized steel, pre-engineered connector system designed for fast and easy installation in architectural timber projects. It can be mounted concealed or visible, working with timber-to-timber, steel, and concrete connections. FATRAFOL. FATRAFOL's FATRAFAST is a PVC-P profile with aluminum reinforcement, hot air welded to mechanically anchored FATRAFOL roofing membranes. It supports installing structural elements like spreading grids, photovoltaic panels, air conditioning systems, and solar heaters. Ideal for flat roofs with slopes up to 5 degrees, it requires a minimum membrane thickness of 1.80 mm. iLock by iWood Denmark is a click system in Pro Plus ceiling panels, using Valinga Innovation 5G locking technology. Combined with finger joints, it enables fast, easy ceiling installation and delivers a seamless finish, reflecting iWood Denmark's commitment to efficient, innovative building solutions. TuffBlock. TuffBlock is a lightweight, durable foundation system designed for outdoor construction projects such as decks, garden sheds, walkways, and platforms. It provides a stable base without the need for digging or pouring concrete, supporting heavy loads while remaining easy to install. Made from 100% recycled materials, TuffBlock features a ventilated underside to prevent moisture buildup and deter termites, ensuring long-term stability. Ceramitex. Ceramitex is a high-performance facade system featuring lightweight, durable sintered ceramic panels resistant to graffiti, scratches, and harsh weather. Offered in various colors and textures, it preserves its aesthetic appeal over time. Using Unity integrated attachment technology compatible with all LMX cladding surfaces and the 360-degree advantage, it simplifies project management while enhancing efficiency for all stakeholders. Arzo. Arzo is a 3D printing project by ETH Zurich and Supsi that transforms quarry stone waste into customizable architectural elements. Using geopolymer binder jetting, it produces strong, concrete-like components with reduced CO2 impact and the ability to incorporate recycled materials. A case study demonstrates a rib-stiffened funicular floor assembled from discrete elements, optimized for structural efficiency and moisture regulation. Aquaphalt. Aquaphalt is a revolutionary pre-mixed road repair material that's durable, high-performing, and 100% eco-friendly. Its proprietary binder hardens with water, eliminating toxic solvents, heavy equipment, and extra labor. Unlike other cold patch products, Aquaphalt sets quickly and permanently, making it ideal for potholes, utility cuts, driveways, and more, offering a fast, lasting, and cost-effective repair solution. Marking machine. The RM7000 EVO Metallic is a compact, high-performance marking machine for asphalt and concrete surfaces like roads, sidewalks, parking lots, and walls. Lightweight and portable, it uses airless paint application for uniform coverage, reduced consumption, and faster work. It sprays up to 6.9 liters per minute, supports 2 spray guns, and offers a 100-meter paint range. Offset Vibratory Roller Attachment. The Offset Vibratory Roller Attachment is a safety-focused compaction tool that attaches to any loader, skid steer, compact track loader, or road grader via an SAE quick connector. Its patented design keeps the host machine on a flat surface while compacting road shoulders, ditches, and trenches, reducing rollover risks and improving job site safety. This attachment enhances productivity while lowering workers' compensation claims and insurance costs. Click-on Battens. Click-on Battens are a modular system that provides architects and designers with easy specification and fast installation for walls, ceilings, and facades. Offering complete creative flexibility, the system allows for custom batten dimensions, profiles, and finishes in timber or aluminum. With optional acoustic backing, click-on battens combine aesthetic appeal, durability, and enhanced sound performance, making them suitable for both commercial and residential projects. Artificial grass edging. Vert Edge is a practical, affordable accessory for creating clean, professional edges on artificial grass lawns. It secures the sub-base and lets fixing pins hold the perimeter without piercing the grass, preventing damage. Flexible for curving around corners and easy to cut to size, Vert Edge ensures a smooth, seamless finish, suitable for both DIY installers and professionals. OneAdvanced System 500PE. The OneAdvanced System 500PE by Graph is a compact, high-performance domestic wastewater treatment solution for small to medium facilities. Using SBR technology, it efficiently treats wastewater while meeting environmental standards like ATVR 122. Featuring multiple Carat XXL tanks with a 75 cubic meters total capacity, its KL-Control.M microprocessor optimizes system performance. POLYtutorial. POLYtutorial highlights polyglass APP membranes designed for low-slope roofs and harsh climates. Contractors can choose from heat-welded membranes for strong seam bonding or self-adhering options that eliminate the need for torches or hot asphalt. Both types are reinforced for enhanced durability and long-lasting performance, providing a reliable and efficient roofing solution for modern construction projects. Retaining walls. ReadyRock is a modular precast concrete retaining wall system offering strength, versatility, and a natural stone look. Its massive interlocking blocks simplify installation and minimize reinforcement needs, adapting to complex terrains and diverse projects. With multiple wall types and finishes like ledgestone, kingstone, cobblestone, and limestone, ReadyRock delivers durable, attractive solutions for residential, commercial, and infrastructure applications. Euroblock. Euroblock systems are designed for modular construction, ideal for walls, barriers, and retaining structures. Installation involves stacking interlocking blocks per the project layout with precise alignment for stability. Blocks can be secured using adhesive, grout, or mechanical connectors. Their modular design enables easy customization, adjustment, and expansion, making Euroblock a versatile and efficient building solution. Baumit CreativTop. Baumit CreativTop is a ready-to-use silicone resin-based modeling render designed for external facades, offering creative design and protection for new and old mineral plasters, concrete surfaces, and as a final coating over Baumit EDX systems. It allows for unlimited design possibilities with a wide range of textures and colors, creating depth and dynamic visual effects as light changes throughout the day and seasons. Strip Stabox T. Stabox Strip T reinforcement connections create a force-locked link between reinforced concrete components cast in multiple phases, supporting efficient formwork systems. Available for rebar diameters of 8, 10, and 12 millimeters, material use follows national regulations. The system simplifies formwork at working joints, avoids piercing formwork, and allows quick production of custom Stabox versions. That's all for today's look at amazing construction technology. We hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for more exciting content right here on the Chop Busters.